Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic Mercedes-Benz 5 Series. We have a code, or we have a display of the the battery light. Here, this is a battery light. It says battery not charged. On the data, it shows that the battery is charged and everything look okay. But it's still giving us the code. They changed the auxiliary battery, they changed the big battery, but still we have battery not charged. But if you look at the data, the battery is charging fine. We found a technical service bulletin. It say that when this thing happened, the speed calculation of the charging battery to be submitted to the computer, they say it take a long time, and that it will cause the SAM module to trick the battery code. This is like wide warning message for backup battery. And they say that the only thing you have to do is to flash the driver SAM module with the latest software. So let's go ahead. I'm using my hotel. This is VCM connected. This is a VIN number. It's come right away, which is very high speed. This is hotel Maxis Ultra. I did a headlight for 2015 C300. Hopefully we'll be able to do this one. Mercedes-Benz. I don't want to go through this one. I will go okay. We already have the symptom and we need to program the, I will say okay. What we are looking for is the left hand. I will say okay. What we are looking for here is to do the programming for the front SAM module. You must have internet connect to it, which is supposed to be already there. Do you want to scan the fault code? You see here, no code, nothing is scanned, but I'm going to scan it now. Fault code, scan fault code. We're going to scan everything. Everything look pass, which is not bad. If you want to do, you see here, easy electronic ignition switch. Hopefully it's clear. This car have a lot of computers. We are 70%. Some of them not responding. Okay, let me go down a little bit with the AC. I turn it off. Oh, the radio is working. I'm gonna turn the radio off. I don't need no background music to get. So let me see report. Let's skip this one. That's the car. No code here. We have one for electronic ignition switch. Radar sensor. It will give us more detail when we go down. Everything is 000. So let's go here. It's a terminal 30 voltage too low. Rear SAM component right reverse lamp. Heating. The video cable from the control module A40 command control module is not. So what I'm gonna do here, this is hot function. I'm gonna go to programming coding. We have 3 pages here. Just let's look for the first one. rear sum, rear signal acquisition. I need the same thing but front. If you found it, please let me know. Front. Reverse right. It's not here. Driver side. Rear side, driver side. It could be front, but driver side, some driver side. So I gotta click on this. Be sure you have internet. Module programming. I gotta go to this one. Do you believe that? They say that responsibility could be on you. So what do you think? The dealer tool never tell you that. Let me go put down the okay, is this the car? I will say okay. I have to after I see all the communication. I think the internet is very weak. Control programming. Let me do this. Ignition is on. Getting program data. Please wait 2 minutes. You see the sign, battery not charge it. If the internet is very weak, we can wait, but it's a module programming. It's supposed to have something, and the software is supposed to be the latest software. If it doesn't solve the problem, then we have to take it from there. After the time finish, he say establish vehicle communication. Ignition is on. Take time, but we have to.
Hey, you want to help with the bending?
Huh?
You think no,
they open it?
We pull the lever like this, right? But
yeah.
I think they don't want to open it. It's weird.
Hold on.
Okay.
Okay. This is the software, we have it. This is the software, we have it. Do you want to exchange the data medium now? Diagnose connector must be remain plugged. Do not carry out any procedure on the vehicle during. Do you wanna say yes? Do you want to exchange the data medium now? Yes. 12.0, which is good. Turn the ignition off. Say okay. I'm trying to turn the radio off. Oh my god. I cannot even. The radio is still on and the music is going. So the radio is working and the music is playing. I cannot stop it. Hopefully they're not gonna say this is like copyright. So I'm gonna stop the video. Consider that after this page is finished, we go to the next. There is something second left. You say it's 4 seconds left, 3 seconds left, 0 second left. Software version, please wait. Battery is 12.7, which is not bad. Again, I'm gonna try. My apology for the copyright. If this is a copyright, even though it's a prayer is supposed to be free, somebody can listen to it. But I'm gonna stop it and see what is the next step. Even though the ignition is off, you know, still the battery not charged is still on there. Okay, we're waiting for it too. The battery went. The radio turned off. Please, and the programming is like established vehicle communication. It tells me to turn the ignition off. You see here now, I don't see that one. I don't know if the audio. Don't forget your key. Now what it say? Software calibration coding. Step 1, get SCN data from server. Step 2, carry out the software calibration, SCN coding. I will say step 1. Click here. Please subscribe and share, and let this platform grow so we can have more clear, you know, like I'm trying to get some people like a videographer with me. Okay, now I'm gonna go to step 2. Carry step 2. Software calibration number is not successfully completed. Calibration number, software calibration number, SCN coding is not okay. I don't know why. Risk injury caused by moving parts that can pinch, crush, or okay. Warning after this initialization, the step the steering column adjustment moves automatically. Okay. Steering column not normalized. Okay. Normalizing during the adjustment. You see the steering column gonna turn, go up and down. So I'm gonna go adjustment is ended. Okay. 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 Skip. I don't know. He said SCN coding is not well, but let's see what's going on. I don't want that message to come there, stay there, say battery not charge. But programming is done. Okay, programming is done, I believe. And that light is not there. That means, based on my understanding, the technical service bulletin that I just see it here, and this hotel, for now, it's solving a lot of problems. So please, if you need to go with it and you are not able to pay the 16,000 or 32,000, try to start with this one at least. I did a headlight with it, it worked. And updating this computer, even though it giving me a message that coding is not successful, but if that battery line go away, the sign of the battery not charging go away, and things are better, that means not bad. Not bad, at least not bad. And I believe you see the technical service bulletin that was there regarding the, I don't know where I put it, but you know what I mean by it. So I was using the interface connected directly, and I see everything look good now. He don't want to change the alternator because it's charging. The technical service bulletin say that the alternate the front side module is unable to process the bit of programming. There is a delay, and the computer think that it's not charging. So any information from the alternator go to the front side module. The sum module must process it and calculate it faster. If it delayed, the computer think that there is a charging issue. Hopefully this is good and it's work now. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. Please subscribe and share, and see you in another video. Muhammad Harun Idris, Brooklyn, New York.